Hey my dudes, it's Caitlin, and today we are going to be doing sort of a self-care vlog. Basically, I feel like all of us could use some self-care right around this time, and I'm going to show you guys what a self-care day looks like for me. I just finished my exam yesterday, and I really let go of everything. I sort of let everything else go, including like my room. My room is so messy. I wasn't getting much sleep, number one. That wasn't good. I wasn't drinking enough water. I wasn't eating very healthy. And I was behind on school, so I had to like cram a ton and get even less sleep. So I started the self-care last night. It was rainy and gloomy, and I was just so tired, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go to bed super early. I went to bed at like 6 o'clock. And I woke up at like 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning. So I got like almost 12 hours of sleep, and I'm still tired. Like, I need a few days to catch up, but that was a good start. So I wanted to get up early today. I did that. I made coffee, pet Apollo, and then I watched YouTube videos this morning just to rest and do that while I was waiting for the sun to come up. So this whole day is basically gonna be like me resetting my life, but also some self-care. I hope you guys can get some ideas about how you can implement like self-care into your routine. Self-care looks different for everyone. So for me personally, I have a lot of ways and a lot of things that are like self-care. I like cleaning my room may seem like a chore, but it really is self-care because this is where I spend most of my day, you know? This is gonna be a mix of like a productive vlog, but a self-care vlog and a relaxing vlog. So I hope you guys stick around and just chill with me, do some self-care with me, and with all of that being said, let's get into the video.
So I want to really quick show you guys my little entrance to my Animal Crossing town. I haven't spent much time on my town besides the entrance. Like, I made a whole neighborhood area and then I remodeled it because, well, I tore it all down because I am doing a whole new layout for my island. But I wanted to show you guys just like the entrance that I've been working on. So it's gonna be more of a natural themed island with like a little neighborhood area for the homes. And as you guys can see, I have flowers and waterfalls, and then I have some rock patterns. Okay, now that we looked at my entrance and such, I'm gonna do my little Animal Crossing daily routine, chill, and then get to some other stuff.
Okay guys, a simple but great way to get your day off to a good start is to first make your bed. And then I need to clean my room because I have like some stuff out. I've already told you guys this a million times, but please ignore how bad the carpet is. This carpet's older than I am and stained so bad. But yeah, I'm gonna get to making my bed, having a good start to the day, and then updating you guys from there. Okay guys, so it's 1 o'clock. I cleaned more than I showed, but I'm just taking my day slow because I just need this day to relax, reset, just do whatever I want. I have a whole list of things I could do that I enjoy doing that I would consider self-care, but I haven't started on any of that because I don't want to force myself to do anything, and right now I'm just enjoying what I'm doing. So funny thing is, two things have jumped in my brain in the past couple hours. First thing is the less weird one. I want to start a podcast. My Coffee with Caitlin's. I want to start a Coffee with Caitlin podcast, I think. Not sure how that's going to go or how I'm going to do that. But I want to work on that today, just like the idea and planning of it, and just see if it would be a good idea. And then I also, the weird thing I thought about is, I really want a pet snail. Now this isn't the first time. This isn't the first time I've thought about having a pet snail. I recently, well, I don't know, how did that pop in my head? I don't know. I've looked into having pet snails before, but was just busy. And I'm sort of thinking of having a pet snail, like having a terrarium with a snail in it. But I want to do the proper research. I want to get the right setup going, have it all set up before I even purchase a snail. So that is not going to happen super soon, but I might get that moving today too, because I sort of want a pet snail. I just really do. And I want to make it a little habitat, have the humidity right, feed it snacks. Because even if I get just a bug as a pet, I want to give it the best quality of life possible. Should make sure to do your research before getting any living organism, even if it's a plant, you know? I get emotionally upset when I accidentally kill a plant. So if I kill a bug, I'm even more upset. I don't know. I didn't realize they lived so long, and now that I know they live a longer time than just like a year, like, you know, other bugs will live like very short amounts of times, I sort of want a pet snail. So sorry, I just went on a snail tangent for a couple minutes, but I'm excited about it. So I'm gonna spend a little more time planning my podcast, just getting the ball rolling on that, and then researching about having a pet snail. So I'm gonna get to that and update you guys when I do something. Okay guys, I ended up buying this terrarium. Whether I get a snail or not, I'm going to just have a little terrarium in my room. I'm gonna set this up before I purchase any animal or anything. I wanna make sure I get it established and that I like it before I do anything more with like buying a snail for real or anything. And that is the end of the snail talk. I'll end that there. So right now I'm having lunch. I'm having a grilled cheese. I wanted a grilled ham and cheese so I could have protein as well, but we ran out of ham and I had no clue until I made the grilled cheese. And then I'm having some berries as well. And this is gonna be my lunch. If you guys were wondering, the tip to make a grilled cheese golden is to use mayo instead of butter, like on the bread when you cook it. That's how I get my grilled cheeses golden brown. It seems weird at first, the first time you hear it, but my dad said he learned that from like a cooking show, and I've been doing it ever since. Okay guys, so I'm gonna catch up on Julia Christine's video. It's her typical work night routine. And then there's another YouTuber. I'll have both of these YouTubers in the description. Julia I've been following for a couple years, and then Sophia I've been following for like a month now, I think, and I haven't really seen many of her videos. So Sophia and Julia's channels will be in the description. Definitely check them out. Okay guys, I couldn't really update because my dad was running lawn equipment outside, but I'm going to shower because that's one of my favorite things to do to reset, is like shower, do like in-depth skincare, exfoliate, shave. I'm going ham with my shower and skincare routine. I'll also be sure to show you guys what products I use for my skincare. I have literally a skincare fridge. I'll do a skincare fridge tour, okay? And then I'm going to update you guys with my skincare fridge tour. Also, before I take my shower, I just posted a study with me video.
so I'm going to be answering questions and stuff like that. I usually post Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays between 10 and noon. So I post at 11, and I was just waiting for the sponsor to get back to me today, so that's why it's posted at literally 4 o'clock, which is the latest I've posted in months. But I really wanted to get this video up on Thursday, whether it was on time or not. So yep, my study with me exam cram is up. I'm gonna take that shower and respond to comments before and after. Okay guys, so here's my little mini skincare fridge. It's by Frigidaire, and you can find anything like this on Amazon. Just search up mini fridge or skincare fridge. For a size comparison, this is my little hand. And I'm gonna give you guys a tour of what's in it and what I use, because I don't like filming videos of me applying this stuff to my face because I look ridiculous. So in this bottom area, we have a lot of Glossier products. I'm an affiliate with Glossier, so there's a 10% discount link plus free shipping on orders, $30 plus in the description. They don't pay me to say anything. I'm literally just somebody who has a discount code that gets their products and is able to like tell you guys how I like them. So here in the bottom is the main stuff that I use. This is the Glossier solution. It's a chemical skin exfoliant. I use this more in the summer. I haven't started using it yet because my skin is still dry from the winter, but I really like this. This is my second bottle. Next I have Curology, and this is what I use for my acne. They sent this to me for free, and they're not paying me to say anything, but I really enjoy it, and I use it every time I wash my face. First I use the Curology. Next I use the Glossier Bubble Wrap, and it's an eye and lip plumping cream. It's sort of like oil based, I think, and I don't really notice a difference when I use it, but I like to use it because, I don't know, I just like the texture of it and stuff. Makes me feel like I'm doing more. Next, I go in with the Glossier Super Bounce, which is a hyaluronic and vitamin B5 serum. And this hydrates your skin, so I use this religiously. This is like my 4th bottle, and this is one of my favorite skincare products of all time. Then I go in with the Glossier Super Glow, which is a vitamin C and magnesium serum. And this is a little more oily, but I feel like it really locks in the base products on my face, and it feels really good to put on, and it's supposed to make your skin glowy and dewy. Next, I use the Glossier Priming Rich Moisturizer, and this is such a creamy moisturizer. It is so good to just put over all of your skincare to really give your face that deep moisturizing, and I absolutely love this. And lastly, I use the Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid. And this is just like a highlighter for your whole face, basically. You can put it on after your skincare or underneath foundation or skin tint, and it gives your face a glowy, dewy look. And then when I did have some of these left, I was using them all the time. These are the Starface Hydro Stars, and you put them on pimples that are active, and it helps clear them up, and I absolutely love this. I need to buy a refill, like ASAP. The lighting got so dark, but next we have the stuff in the top of my fridge. Then the only thing I really use on this shelf is this Jade Roller. I just got this off Amazon, I think. I got it for Christmas, and it is one of the best things. When I first got it, I was like, I hate this. I, like, don't see the point. But after actually using it, like, until, like, actually using it on my face after my skincare, I absolutely love it now. It's one of my favorite parts of my skincare routine, and they're pretty cheap. Like, you can find them pretty cheap. Then I have the Mario Badescu Skincare facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. And my sister religiously tells me that I shouldn't use this anymore for some reason. I think they use like alcohol in their stuff or something. I don't know. I really like it though. I don't use it very often, but I don't know. Do your research on that. See if it's worth using still. Okay guys, so the shower and skincare and stuff probably looks like the most self-care in this vlog so far. I realize that I have a lot more I want to do, but basically the whole premise of this being a self-care vlog is that I'm taking time for myself today, not like studying a ton or researching a ton. I just needed a break. I needed to sleep well, and I need to just rest. Like, that's the biggest thing for self-care that I could do for myself right now, is just relax and do whatever I want to do the whole day. Because tomorrow I start up my study schedule again for my 3rd exam in fundamental genetics, and I just needed a quick break.
So I feel amazing after showering, and now I'm going to go respond to your guys' comments on my last video that I just posted. I love responding to your guys' comments. If you guys want to leave a comment on this video, feel free. I try to respond to all of them. It's definitely getting harder and harder to respond to all of them, but I try my best. I definitely respond for the first like 30 minutes when I upload, but I just try my best. So I'm gonna respond to your guys' comments, which always just brightens my day so much, and yeah. Okay, so I responded to comments, and it's a beautiful afternoon, so I'm gonna go sit outside with my sister and my doggo for a little while.